Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. We're back out here. It's getting kind of late, Sunday night, Easter Sunday. I'm just going to cut this panel out real quick. I'm going to clean up the edges on this and then we'll lay it out and mark the edges. So I clean the edges of this panel first because if you don't clean the little flaky metal off of it from cutting it with the whiz wheel, you know, this stuff, you can't mark a nice clean line around it. It ends up either marking onto that slag or whatever you want to call it and not onto your panel, or it makes you go around it and you end up with, you know, this wibbly wobbly half missing line. So now we can cut this out. Cut for some reason. Make sure there was nothing underneath it. Alright, I'm gonna lop that end off and clean this end up on. Hey, no falling asleep over here. Clean it up over here on the shear. Now, hopefully, I'm gonna clean up the edges that we cut here, and hopefully this guy will fit right in. I doubt it, but hopefully it's not too short. So this edge, I kind of, you know, I line the edge of this metal up with it, but you know, we got a nice straight line on the one, but you can see that there's like, you know, there's a wobble sticking out there. So I need to clean him up as well. Let's just, before I do that, let's go check it on the Jeep. I can always just clean it up here while I'm test fitting, just so long as we're not too short. I don't know which way this goes. she fits. I think I can just tack this in. I'll go get the welder, I guess. Damn, that was pretty good. Sure wasn't expecting that. I thought I was gonna have to do some grinding and whatnot to test fit it, or at least worst case scenario. Check this guy out. So, dude, I am, I guess what you could say, arachnophobic. Like, dude, I hate spiders. Absolutely hate them. Especially ones like this. That shit just creeps me out. You guys probably don't even see it. It's like, he's like camouflaged. Dude, that thing gives me the heebie-jeebies. Dude, he camouflaged himself with my thing. I just reached in there and grabbed the welding gun. And seen it. Like, it didn't move, no nothing. He's got his front legs all stretched out. Ooh, oh man, that dude's creepy. Heebie-jeebies. Alright. I got rid of our creepy crawly friend. I got him into a paint cup and got him outside. He looked like a river spider. We have, right across from us, we have kind of like a swampy pond type thing. And then there's a creek or a river. It's good size that runs right across the street from my house. So, you know, they wander over here from there. It's raining out right now. He must have known that it was going to rain and decided he was going to venture over here to get out of that rain. I'm trying to figure out which way I had this now. Spider freaked me out. Boo, I shouldn't have detected it. Looks so good except for that corner right there. tacked it in again. I wanted to. Not too shabby. That looks good. Yeah, baby. Alright. So what did you guys catch? Like, so we got all this put together. It looks good. Just tacked in place, but nice and straight. Yeah, that's nice. And I just made this little circle guy to go in there. So let's stick him in. Not too shabby. So tomorrow we'll get the fender put back on, and we'll mark the holes for where the bolts go. Then I can take this front cover off. We can drill them out, and then we put the front cover on. And then we mark in the holes that we drilled onto the backing, the back piece. And then we can take the front back off, take the back off, drill out the holes in the back, put some nuts there, weld them in, and then we can put this guy back on. And then it's time to make the back for it. Oh, and sorry, tomorrow's Monday, not tomorrow. Tuesday, we'll be back on it. So, thanks for joining us. I know it was just a short little video, but I needed to get something done tonight. It was Easter, and had other stuff going on today. So, at least I got out here and I got a little something done. So, I'll see you guys later. I know this video is going to be late. I know that these videos are months behind on the Jeep, but happy Easter, everybody. So, I'll see you later. I'm out.